Welcome back to our channel. Today we have
farm animals. They actually speak, they actually tractor, they actually house, they actually persons, they actually tables, they actually fences.
So Toy Dog sent us this toy. We'll put the link in the description below. Now on the side right here, it says that there's 3 different house choices. So this one is the one on the picture. This one is just one lonely house. And this one is ginormous. It's 2 stories, 3 buildings instead of 2 and 2 and 1. So in the back, this says that this has warm lights. But this,
look in the front, there's actually lamps. That's the thing that turns on.
So it says that the animals can talk by shaking the animals. It says turn on this switch and then
Bottom of
the
the
bottom
animal.
of the animal. And then it says it can and then it says it can make a sound by shaking the animal. So there's 3 different house choices. This one is just a little house. It's all by himself, which is really sad. And this one is 2-story, and it only has 2 houses, which is cool. So there's 3 different types. This one has 1, and this one has 2, and this one has 3, 4. No, there's no 4. So in the back, it says that warm lights is more dreamy, giving you a different farm world. So it says that the house can actually light up, which is pretty cool. And it says it has 5 people. That's what it looks like, because 5 people, because there's 2 over here and 3 over here. And 2 plus 3 is 5.
No, there's 4.
Education.
There's 4 people.
So
We got
on this side, it says scenario simulation, parent and child interaction, various ways to play, and imagination exploration.
That one is
Cool. So it has a tractor too. This toy is pretty awesome. So it's time to get it open. Oh, guys, I guess it only took off the tape.
hammer.
But whoa, guys. Oh, that thing is legit. So there's like a table. There's oranges, pears, bananas, grapes, pumpkin. It looks like a pumpkin and a pepper. Wait, a bunch of different fruits in here.
Why is there cucumbers?
Oh, it's a cucumber. It's funny. It's a cucumber. Larry the cucumber.
It's Larry the cucumber.
So this looks like it's for the house. More pieces of the house.
More pieces of the house.
And here's one of the animals, the sheep and the cow. And all the people. There's also a dog. I don't know if we mentioned that. Here's the tractor. It's in the bag. Is this another sheep?
Yeah.
I think there's 2 sheep. Cool.
Oh, there were.
There's more people. And these are the lanterns. Another cow. Wow. I guess there's 2 of each animal.
Oh, it's that
except for the
cow.
dog. And this is the house. We don't need the box, I don't think.
I'm hammering the pig.
But there is this ginormous background. Let's put this behind us, AJ. So it looks like we're at the farm. We're at the farm, guys.
No, we're not.
And then they have the instructions to build the house. Comes with the whole floor. Guys, this thing is huge. Okay, I'm gonna put this off to the side because I don't think we need that right now. We're definitely gonna need this now because we have to build the house first. Watch us
put this house together in less than 1 minute. Watch them. First, we got to open the bag.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to get your toy in the link in the description below. And
So, like and subscribe, and
hit the notification bell.
and keep your chin up and never give up.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
There's a cucumber.